Okay, I want to talk about these, what are called SafeRacks up here that are on the rafters in my garage, and just how much space saving they have given us in our garage. We've been using these over 5 years. Can't even remember how much. We've not had a single problem with them. So I love these. You can see how they just anchor right up into our rafters here. And you can see we have multiple sets, right? We also have where we've put these accessories to carry other things. So on the side here, we have an 8-foot folding table, right? So that's how long we have. And then on this side, you can see all the bins that we have here. We also have anchored up here for like our weed whackers and all of that, different kind of equipment. So you can see underneath, show you how it looks underneath. So underneath it is that kind of that white grid. And so again, we could put little S hooks and stuff, because I forget how many hundreds of pounds, like 500 or 600 pounds per each section. So we are able to structurally with our garage as well as with this be able to put all of this weight on there. That means all of this stuff is off of our floor or off of the walls. And so we're able to access what we need very easily with either a step ladder or a full ladder. You see, we can keep lots of stuff stored. I'll kind of go back underneath again. So you can see how we can use it differently and how many we have next to each other, right? These have been wonderful. So, I'm not looking to show you a showcased garage. Our garage is a very working garage with lots of storage and lots of tools. And this is a real garage for us. And this, using these safe racks, amazing. Probably one of the things that I wish I had bought when I first moved into this house and wish I hadn't waited to buy these. So get yourself some. Make sure you get ones that are rated for high pounds. Don't look for just knockoffs. These safe racks are really, really awesome.